So I hope that this comes across somebody who has been going through the most, somebody who's almost given up on life, somebody who has really had the worst that they could imagine. I want to tell you one thing. What you've been through has just changed you, has just built you. What you've been through is the reason you're here. Now that you've learned from what you've been through, I need you to be a better person for you. Be a better person for your future. Be a better person for where you're going to. Do not look back. Press on. Press on. The destiny is yours.